Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridgette.
And we are going to be doing a product spotlight for you on one of the newer Ginko beads. So the Ginko bead itself is a bead from the Czech Republic. And if we take a look at it here, it's got its name because
it looks like a Ginkgo leaf.
It looks like a Ginkgo leaf. So there's actually some debate too, looking at it and getting it from suppliers, about the actual spelling of the Ginkgo bead. Because it's a Matubo bead, which you may know them as super duos, mini duos, Matubo rounds, and actual seed beads. So that's going to be the actual Matubo bead. So that's the company that manufactures these. And when we got them and we received them from a secondary source, they spelled it with the G, like the Ginkgo bead. So, or like the Ginkgo tree. I'm guessing because of trademark and all of that, they took the G out.
Got it.
And that's why it's just Ginko. It may also be a Czech something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Could be.
But
lost
so we're going to put lost in translation. So we're going to put both onto the actual listing of that when we go back and look at those beads, and when we do the spotlight, it'll have both. But the Ginkgo bead itself, what's our size here on it? They are
7.5.
7.5 millimeters. So they have kind of that pointed end. And
yeah, it reminds me of a fan too.
Yeah.
I feel like it could be a lot of fun.
That kind of Chinese look of fan. And here's the first thing that I did with them. I did a nice simple bracelet. When we got them, the first thing, naturally, I kind of put them into a grouping of 3. And then naturally I said, oh, spacing out wise, a round trio would actually fit pretty perfectly.
Oh yeah.
I ended up with a round duo in the middle just because I really wanted it to look like a Ginkgo leaf.
Yeah, I think that's really nice.
So I went with the color, and that's how we got the color of the Ginkgo leaf. But it's in a lot of the popular Czech colors, but it's also in some of the ones that you wouldn't necessarily expect first. And I like that because, again, they're going to be looked at, like you said, fans, leaves, and yeah, and even looking at them like in a herringbone style, back to back, pendant wise.
I feel like they could kind of fit together nicely.
They fit nestled together there. Oh yeah, even like a nice little peyote stitch right there.
Something like that.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, you could just peyote them right along. So maybe you'll see them peyoted right along. And I happen to have a round duo here too. You could put them and space them out on the sides. So you could do them almost in little clusters or groupings there too.
It's kind of nice. I mean, they fit nicely together, but also they have that, unique shape. So it can just be a simple peyote, but it makes it look
a little bit more
completely
complicated.
Different. And yeah,
I actually like this look too for a set of earrings.
Oh yeah,
and I like that color too. Just that little color,
like that.
and then put some seed beads around the end and have it kind of have that flowiness.
Yeah.
They sit nestled in together really, really nicely. I haven't even played with them yet. So these are brand new. We just got them in. We will most likely be getting more colors too. Again, they're Matubo. They are Czech glass, so a lot of them have those coatings on. And we'll play around with them, give you some more ideas and more things to do with them. Again, they're about that 7.5 millimeter. They could take, I'm trying to think even what they would take the place of. Maybe the kite bead would probably be the closest to something that's going to go that wide. Yeah. You could change it up and try out a kite bead for it. Paisley duo a little bit, but again, you're getting that kind of twist to it. So it's kind of its own unique little shape.
Even the Amos or the round drops, they're still going to be a little smaller. These are a bit wider than those.
Yeah, so and you've got kind of the holes going
kind of their own
that way.
thing.
they're their own. The Ginkgo bead is its own thing. And like I said, we'll get to some more projects with them. We'll get some more things made with them as well, and we will kind of keep you posted on the new things that develop, the new colors that develop when it comes to the Ginkgo beads. If you need any of them, below us in the link to the video will be, in the description will be a link that you can purchase your own Ginkgo beads if you feel like very tree-ish. And and we looked up an interesting little fact that another
name for the Ginkgo tree is the maiden hair.
The maiden hair.
Yeah.
So that's actually what I named the bracelet for the simple Ginkgo bracelet as well too. So there you got a little bit of Chinese culture, Ginkgo culture, and we'll have more for you. Keep in mind, if you want to, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, press that little bell, you can give us a little thumbs up and like, and you'll get regular updates then when we have new patterns for you, new products to introduce you to, as well as new tutorials available as well. So thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Yep, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.